Hey Dream Squad. Now in this video I showed y'all how I got my hair like this, but I didn't end off the video how I wanted to, so I just wanted to refilm it. But yeah, this hair is from Incolorwig, and y'all, this hair came like this. I didn't color it, I didn't do anything. All I did was install it, y'all, and pluck it a little bit. Y'all going to see what I did, but I really didn't do much. Yeah, this hair is bomb, y'all, and this is my second day wearing it, and I'm not getting, look, no naps, no tangles, none of that, no shedding, none of that. So I'll leave everything for this hair in the description box down below, as well as their direct website and a direct hair link. Sorry if I'm shaking right now because I'm holding my camera. And I never had burgundy brows, but them things on fleek, y'all. Y'all see them? Period. They match their hair perfectly. I love it. But anyway, yeah, y'all. This is the finishing look. If y'all want to see how I got my hair like this, stay tuned. I did everything on camera besides the baby hairs. But yeah, go check that description box down below, and I'll see y'all in the video. Okay, y'all, so the reason why I'm pointing right here is because they have tracks right there in that area. So you are only allowed to wear this hair in the middle part. Here's the hair on me, y'all. It's so crazy how red it look on camera because it's really not this red. That red in person. Like, it's really like I want to say like a cranberry color. But this is how it looks on me so far. I gotta finish cutting my wig cap underneath. And then, you know, lay my baby hairs. That's what these hairs are for, my baby hairs. Okay, so I'm about to get my powder that I always use on my lace and put it there. I'm using the Stay Matte powder. It's in the color Pecan. Period. I'm using the Ghost Bond in a blue bottle. It act like oh my god, what the heck? It acted like it didn't want to come out, but once I got over here, it want to just I'm gonna just, you know, wipe this across here. Cause no. So I kind of missed the part where I put the wig down, but I literally just put it down. That's all I did. And now what I'm about to do is get my comb. But I'm gonna use their, you know, little thingy to tie my hair down for a couple of minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. Wait. Okay, so I'm gonna spray some of this Got To Be on it. So what I'm gonna do before I tie it down, I'm gonna use some foaming mousse and I'm gonna put it on the lace. Okay. So we're just gonna let that, you know, sit or whatever. I really hope I did this in the middle. I'm gonna go back and put some concealer right on this part, but not just yet. But now I'm going to get into doing the brows. And I'm not gonna do those on camera, but I'll be back when I finish them and take my hair down, okay?